So along with the types of the bone, we have cartilage also. Cartilage I told mainly that's a supporting structure, and it's a mainly, suppose this is a bone, cartilage will be there. This cartilage is very, it has a fibers. That fibers are called collagen fibers. Okay, collagen fibers it has. So this matrix of the cartilage is produced by chondroblasts. So this is formed by one important thing that is called chondroblast. That is outside will be there. Inside again there will be cells. These small bag type of structures, that is called lacunae. So we have outside collagen fibers and inside lacunae, some bag structures, that is lacunae. Okay, so in this lacunae, again in this lacunae some important living cells will be there, that is chondrocytes. Okay, chondroblast, lacunae, chondrocytes, these are the structures of the cartilage. You have to remember, if you get a question, so three things will be there. Cartilage is mainly collagen fiber connecting tissue. So in this collagen fiber mainly chondroblasts will be there, and then inside there will be cells, that is bag type structure, that is what, lacunae, and then in that will be filled with chondrocyte, some living cells. This is called living cells, that is chondrocytes. Again this cartilage also is covered with one membrane, that is perichondrium. So I told you before is what, periosteum, that is for the bone. For the bone, the layer, the membrane layer present, that is periosteum, and for the cartilage there is a, so for the cartilage important membrane layer, that is perichondrium. Okay, bone means periosteum, membrane layer, cartilage means perichondrium. You just have to remember this. And what are the structures of the cartilage? That is chondroblast, that is outside will be there, lacunae, bag type structure inside, and chondrocytes, those are the living cells present inside the lacunae. And these all are covered by the important membrane layer, that is perichondrium. So in the next upcoming video, I am going to discuss with you all about what are the components of the axial skeleton, what is skull, what is vertebral column. All this I am going to discuss with you all about each component of the skeleton system. If you like my video, please guys like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching guys.